Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Akfaizi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to talk about synthesis and reactions of indole. You know, indole, the structure of indole I am going to show you. Indole. You see, this is the structure of indole. 2,3-benzopyrrole, 1,8-benzo, B-pyrrole. Each atom is sp2 hybridized planar. The total number of delocalized electrons are 10, 8 of 8 carbon and 2 from nitrogen. Follows the Haeckel rule. Very weak base. Now friends, synthesis of indole. Fischer-Indole synthesis, acid catalyzed rearrangement of an aryl hydrazone to indole with the elimination of ammonia. Reaction can be carried out simply by heating together the aldehyde or ketone and aryl hydrazine. Formation of aryl hydrazone and its subsequent rearrangement take place to give indole. Zinc chloride is used as catalyst. Look at the reaction scheme. Phenylhydrazine converted to phenylhydrazone and then indole. Mechanisms. You can see here ene hydrazines and then 3,3 sigma tropic rearrangement forming double imine and then cyclic aminoacetal, and then you can see here the ring of indole. Deamination resulting in the aromatic indole. Now, a reversible rearrangement of hydrazone to give the reactive ene hydrazine. Protonation produce protonated ene hydrazine. 3,3 sigma tropic rearrangement in reactions. Formation of a new carbon-carbon bond. Diimine and loss of aromaticity. Aromatizations of aryl ring, nucleophilic additions, formation of a cyclic aminoacetal, and deamination resulting in the aromatic indole. So this is the example. Phenylhydrazine give 2,3-dimethyl 1H indole. Phenylhydrazine it give 2-methyl 1H indole. Bichler-Marlow indole synthesis. Marlow indole synthesis. Synthesis of A2-aryl indole from an alpha bromacetophenone and excess aniline. You can see here aniline react with these keto compounds forming indole ring. Madelung synthesis. Intramolecular cyclization of N-phenylamide using a strong base at high temperature. 2 substituted aniline, acyl chloride, it gives N-phenylamide substituted indoles. Now, orthotoluidine N-O-tolulyl formamide, it gives indole rings. 4-chloro-2-methyl aniline N substituted benzamide, it gives 4-chloro 5-chloro-2-phenyl 1H indole. Reactions. Electrophilic addition to nitrogen. Indoles like pyrroles are very weak bases. So electrophilic addition to nitrogens. Indole like pyrrole are very weak base. Indole react with HCl from 1H indolium cations and reactions with methyl iodide, it gives 1,2,3,3 tetramethyl 3H indolium, and further it gives 3H indolium cation most stable and 2H indolium cation. Now electrophilic aromatic substitution, ES of indole favors at third positions. You can see at carbon 3 electrophilic attack, and if you have the carbon 2, so this term aromaticity of benzene ring less favorable. Nitrations. Common nitrating agent cause acid catalyzed polymerizations, high reactivity of indole, So indol can be nitrated using benzoyl nitrate as non-acidic nitrating agent. You see 3-nitro 1H indol. Sulfonation using the pyridine sulfur dioxide complex in hot pyridine. You can see here halogenation, it gives halogen product and 3-bromo 1H indols. Acylation in the acetylation in the presence of sodium acetate affords N-acetyl indol. Indol react with acetic anhydride gives 1,3-diacetyl acetylenol predominantly, which upon HL with aqueous sodium hydroxide at room temperature give 3-acetyl indol. Mannich reaction with iminiamide. Indol react with mixture of formaldehyde and dimethylamine in acetic acid by substitutions and converted into 3-dimethyl aminomethylindol granules. You can see here. Reductions reaction, lithium liquid ammonia reduce the benzene ring 4,5-dihydroindol is main product. Nucleophilic substitutions, N-butyl lithium presence of ether, it gave the acid derivative and alcoholic derivative. Medicinal use, reserpine antihypertensive of the late 1950 and early 1960 to treat agitated psychotic conditions. Ergol alkaloids. So friends, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel and thanks for watching.